Chapter 36 Strength of Will. Toravan, my father, above all, wanted to do well by his kingdom, and I've been ignoring my duty in my sole focus on finding my father's killer. That has been important. It's important to keep my family safe. My father's enemies, now my enemies, are still around me. I saw that yesterday with the vortex. But I've allowed those enemies to distract me. There's more than one way for my enemies to win. My father died trying to make this kingdom a better place. Can I do less than pick up his torch and march on? I have so much I need to do. I go back to my own rooms and splash my face in the stale water of the wash basin. I don't wait for my valet to arrive to change my clothes, but dress myself and hastily comb my hair. Then I gather up my guards and make my way down to the mage's quarters, to Master Aldrich's study, because a dismissal of Nikolai as unfit to serve in my court is foremost on my mind, and long overdue, no matter who his family is. Valterre stopped me the day before, but my head is clear now. My purpose is clear now. Nikolai's actions have put my life and the lives of those in my palace in danger more than once now. Whether he was behind the storm or not, and whether he's behind more than the storm, he is a danger that must leave my palace. This will not be a popular decision, but it's the right one. Likely the first in a string of unpopular but right decisions. And it's important to me, much more important now, that my decisions be for the good of the kingdom and its people. All its people. And if I also check the corridor in the mage's quarters for any glimpse of Caleb, well, that would be incidental. But I don't see him. The door to his room is closed. It's early, but not so early that I think he's still asleep. I do my best to ignore both my relief and the ache of his not being there when I want to see him. But I'm certainly not going to knock on his door. I'm not going to ask where he is. Because I'm the king, my guards precede me to Master Aldrich's study, and one raps a sharp knock on the Master Mage's door. I am at least fairly certain that Master Aldrich will be in his study. He usually is in the mornings, even on the rest day. I know coming down here is heavy-handed, but Master Aldrich has always had a way of winding me around, making me feel less than the prince and than the king I should be. I didn't want to summon him and give him time to prepare his arguments, gather his allies, try to put up a wall in my path. No, this will be done today, for myself, for my kingdom, and also for Caleb. He never got the recognition he deserved for saving lives in my court that first day, and that is my fault. That I allowed Nikolai to remain in my court is also my fault. And I let Nikolai try to calm the storm. I won't repeat that mistake again. Aldrich opens his door, sees the guard, and his eyes dart to me. I feel my anger rising and study his lined face for any signs of guilt for running from the vortex yesterday. For abandoning me. For any signs of guilt for more than that. Because there are only two other weavers besides Caleb in this court. too obvious, Weavers, anyway. But after that first moment of surprise that I'm here, he's back to his usual courtly grace. He smooths down his brocade tunic and steps out, dipping into a deep bow. Your Majesty, how may I serve you today? Pretty words, and I remember how my father would deal with those who sought to flower him with nonsense words to get him to do what they wanted. He was firm but polite, steady but not unkind, unless it was needed.